Welcome to Everyday Delights. Let's make an eggless chocolate walnut brownie without an oven or a microwave. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a recipe. First, we will melt the chocolate on a double boiler. Now for a double boiler, you need to make sure that there's always sufficient water in the pot so that it creates a good amount of steam, but the pot should not be so full that it overflows after keeping the bowl on top. The water should never touch the bowl of chocolate directly. Make sure you continuously stir, and once the chocolate melts, add the butter in and let that melt as well. If at any point you think the temperature is too high, just take the bowl off the steam for a few seconds, stir the chocolate to cool and put it back on. Let's set this aside to cool and let's make the buttermilk. Now when used in baking, the term buttermilk usually means this: warm milk with vinegar added to it. Stir well and it will slowly curdle as it settles. Now to our chocolate and butter mixture, add powdered sugar. You can also use caster or granulated, but it will take longer to dissolve. Mix that until well combined. After 5 to 10 minutes of sitting and settling, the milk will partially start to curdle like so. Usually that's what we need for baking. Add that into the bowl and mix until properly combined. Let's add the dry ingredients now. Sieve together 200 grams of maida, add 1/4 teaspoon baking soda and half a teaspoon baking powder. Mix that well. Whisk until you get a smooth batter and there is no lumps. Quickly add crushed walnuts to the batter. Once the dry ingredients are combined, you have to work quickly. Give it a good mix and it's ready to be baked. Make sure you grease and keep your pan ready beforehand. A quick but important tip for every new baker out there: when you use butter in your cake batter, grease the pan with oil. If you're using oil in the batter, grease it with butter. This helps quite a bit while demolding the cake. Pour the batter into the well-greased pan. Top it off with a few more crushed walnuts, and we are going to bake it in a preheated kadhai with a stand at the bottom. Cover it and keep something heavy on top to trap the hot air for even baking. After about 35 to 40 minutes, check the brownie and insert a toothpick at the center. It should come out clean. And that's it, your brownie is ready to be served.